Hello guys, the next part of today's lesson is to create a label. This is like a folder that you would have on your computer or a tag, and you would create this label in order to organize emails that are coming in. For example, you saw that we had a new email coming in from Mr. Smith here. So we're going to go ahead and click down here to More, and we should scroll all the way down to where you see the option to create a new label. So we're going to click on that, and there we go. And we're going to create this label for the class called Google Plus. Now here we have the option, we can nest this under other labels. So if you want to keep things organized, like for example high school, you can create a label called high school, and then you could put this as like a subfolder for a under high school, so there'll be another layer of folders. We're just going to keep this on the top right now, so we're going to hit create, and we will see that here we go. Our label appeared right here. We can change different settings about it, like show it, hide it, edit the name, remove it, or add a sub-label like I was explaining earlier, or we can change the color. So let's go Cerita blue, and we'll change that to blue. Then we're going to apply that to this email that came in. So we're going to click here on the email, and up here you see this nice little label symbol, and you'll click on that, go to your Google Plus, select that, and click on Apply. And now you see this nice little label has appeared here. If you go to this folder or this label here, any emails that you flag or mark with that label will appear right there.